just me and my guitar.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is DJ from DJ's Tutorials. A lot of you asked me to make a video on how to make your own custom Kodi build, and that's what this tutorial is going to be all about. Now this is going to be 3 or 4 part video, just to keep the videos short and not very long. And each section will have a different topic. Like we're going to start with how to get the new skin, and we're going to do changing the background, adding your add-ons, customizing the sub menu, and also adding some widgets in there. So the first part is we're going to do the skin, the new skin. We're going to be using the Aeon Nox Silvo Skin, and in order for us to do that, we're going to need to use an app called Downloader. This is not, the skin is, you're not going to find it in Kodi. They have the regular Aeon Nox. This is the modern one from Silvo. So to get that, we need to get it directly from the developer. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is going to be using the Downloader app. Now I'm going to be doing this tutorial on my Mi box. You can do this on any Android device, Fire TV Stick, your NVIDIA Shield. It will be better if you did it on a PC, but then you need to transfer everything to your box. So we're just going to do it directly on the box. It's going to take a little longer, so you got to be patient. And with any build, if you're going to do your own custom build, it takes a little time. That way you can customize it to your own liking and what do you want. Alright, so first thing, we're going to go to Downloader. I'm going to click on that. If you don't have the Downloader app, you can get that from the Play Store. You can check out some of my other videos. I have instructions how to install it. Once you launch it, at the address bar, you're going to put in bit.ly/Aeon Nox Silvo 105. That's the version. Just put that all in one word. If you need a moment, you can pause the video. And once you're done, just click on go. It's going to download the file, and we're going to click on done. Now we're going to go back out home, and we're going to go to Kodi. Let's launch that. This is a clean Kodi. There's nothing on there. If you have add-ons already installed, but you're only using a regular Kodi skin, you should be fine changing the skin like this. If you're on a build, I wouldn't recommend changing this. If you want to play around and see how you like it and do some experiments on there, I will recommend creating a new profile and using that on your second profile, or just do a clean Kodi. Alright, in here now, we're going to go straight down to add-ons. Usually when you're going to install something, you have to put the address first, and you go to File Manager. This one we don't have to. It's already on our device. So we're going to go all the way to the top left on the open box symbol. I'm going to click on that. And in here, you're going to go down where it says Install from Zip File. Click on that. Since it's a clean Kodi, we're going to enable unknown sources. Click on that. Click yes. And enable that. Alright, go back. Click on Install from Zip again. Now we're going to go down where it says External Storage. Now if you're doing this on a PC, you're going to look for your hard drive where you downloaded the file. So if you have just one drive, it will be your C drive, and then find it in there. Click on External Storage. Go down where it says Downloader, since it's the app that we used. And in here, you're going to see the Aeon Nox Silvo 105 zip. Click on that. Just give it a moment to install. Now we got the notification on the top right corner. So we're going to go up one to install from repository. Go down to the Aeon Nox Silvo repository. Click on that. Scroll down to look and feel, and then down to skin. In here we'll find the Silvo skin. Select that and click on install. We're going to get the latest version. If for some reason you have any problems with this one, you can always pick another one, but usually I like to select the latest version. Just going to give it a moment to download. It's going to need to install some dependencies and some other files that it needs. So pretty soon you're going to start seeing, there we go, some information popping up. We're almost there. And it's done. Alright, so now we're going to click on yes to switch to the skin. And we should get another pop-up soon. And click on yes to keep the changes. Alright, so now we can go back out and see the new skin. Default backgrounds. We can choose one for now, so that way it won't be just blank. Click on single image and just pick one for me here. I'm just going to pick the default one. Now we have a background. And that's it. That's your new skin. So you already have pre-made menu items here. So like you see, you got movies, music, pictures, weather, favorites, power, system, apps, videos, live TV, TV shows, and back to movies. Now all these we're going to change around, except with a few of them, like system, apps, and power. We're going to keep those. Weather, favorites, you can keep them if you wanted. That's a choice. But if you're going to do your custom, you can decide which ones you want to keep or not. Now as you notice here, we don't have a submenu yet, but we do. It's not visible. So if you move your remote down, you can see it gives you the option to view the submenu. So the first thing we're going to do is going to change that. Now of course that's a preference. Some people like it like that, some people don't. If you like it to be hidden, then you just leave it alone. If not, you're going to go into the main menu under skin settings, and we're going to click on submenu always visible. Okay. Now the next thing is the position of the menu bar. This is in the center. If you click on it, it will go low. So if we go back out, as you can see now everything moved down. One of the good parts of this is you get more of your backgrounds. So when you put a background image of your own and you have a nice picture, you get to see most of it compared to having it right in the middle. Now of course if you add widgets to it, it is going to take away some of the picture, but at least there's more room in there. And again, this is a preference. So if we go back to skin settings, now over here the main menu layout is how many you see on the menu bar. So if you click on it, you got 5, 3, 1, just the icons, or you can move it to the side as a vertical menu. So if we did, let's say, one item, go back out, give it a moment to build the menu. All right. So as you can see now, you only see system. So if you remove your remote, it just shows you one at a time. Go back to system, skin settings. If you want to do 3, just so you can see it, now you only see 3 of them. Go back to settings. Now, then again, of course, this is another preference. You decide which one you like. I'm just showing you what you have for options here. And I'm going to leave it back to 5. Actually, let's check out the vertical. Okay, go back out, and that's your vertical. This is kind of like the Kodi skin, the default skin of Kodi. Everything on the right. Oh, I'm sorry, on the left side. So we'll go back here. We'll go to interface. finger skin. And I'm going to put this back to 5 items for now. Alright. This one, as you can see, it will do a cycle. So if I put it on fixed, go back out. So when you're going around, it goes back to the beginning. So let's move around. When you get to here, it goes back there. If we go back to skin settings and leave it to default, it's kind of like a loop. So it never ends. So it doesn't go back. You can see we get back to weather. So in the previous one, it will be blank over there. You're not going to have the pictures next to it. So once you move to the right again, we'll go all the way to the left and start from pictures again. Then again, like I said, this is a preference. These are just the different settings. So this is how you install the new skin. In the next video, I will show you how to get the new background images for your custom build and how to change the backgrounds of the menu items using your new images. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Well, that will do it for today. If you like my video, please click on like and share, and also subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell icon to get notifications of any new videos that I upload. Well, thank you for watching. This is DJ. Till next time.
Just me and my guitar.